In this video, we will try not to mix dans and dedans. So dans will be a preposition. This is the important thing that you need to remember. And dedans is an adverb. So clearly they've got different functions, so we will use them differently. Let's have a look first at dans, and remember, it's a preposition. The example is here. Elle est entrée dans le restaurant. So in that case, as you can see, as a preposition, dans is introducing le restaurant. Elle est entrée dans le restaurant. Dedans, as an adverb, will be obviously used differently. So let's have a look at dedans. Remember, dedans is an adverb. It's not a preposition at all. And let's look at the example here. Ouvre le paquet. Il y a une surprise dedans. So as you can see, as an adverb, dedans is not introducing anything. It's not connected to a noun. It's not connected to something that will come after. It's only connected to the verb il y a. Il y a. Il y a une surprise dedans. So, ouvre le paquet. Il y a une surprise dedans. So, remember not to mix dans. It's a preposition introducing something, and dedans, it's an adverb, doesn't introduce anything, it's just connected to a verb.